Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2024 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf, the 29 BRB. Single slide out, private, 4 bunks in the back, outside kitchen, juice pack with the solar, great travel trailer, family travel trailer. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, your main slide out, kitchen, and your bunk area. Standing at the back looking forward. You got the side hallway, 2 entry doors to the bathroom. But we'll start in this master bedroom. You got the queen walk-around bed. You got overhead lights. Magnets now on the doors. So nice strong magnets so they're not flying open on you. Hanging storage. Overhead. Got AC ducts. Prep for a TV. Shades. The fire escape window does open, so that gives you some cross breeze there. And your other window as well. Got a charging port here. You can purchase the driven wireless speaker. You've got USB, more hanging storage. Under the bed, you got storage here that's accessible from the inside of the exterior storage. More charging areas. We mentioned the 2 doors to the bathroom, so you can get in here from the hallway or the bedroom. You got plenty of room in this bathroom, so room to change, room to move around. Overhead skylight, large exhaust fan, large sink, your medicine cabinet. Got a little storage down low. Again, you still get the AC ducts in the bathroom that you don't normally see. Moving into the hallway, you've got a shade here with another window that does open. You've got a light here in the hall, which is your auxiliary light. It drops down the Grey Wolf logo, which goes down to the floor. A nice night light. You can control those, your awning lights, check your holding tanks. You can also scan this. That's how you control the backup camera. So nice features here. Your battery disconnect and battery tender there. Heat duct, your fire extinguisher. The nice sitting area where you've got the sofa across from the dinette. A good area for conversations, for everybody to hang out. Entertainment area, you've got TV hookup. Your stereo is the driven sound system with USB, HDMI. You do have an electric fireplace that does put out heat. Nice little cubby holes for storage. Your dinette has got some drawers, and it does drop down to make a bed. We'll take a look at that. There's the dinette made into a bed. Putting those cushions back up. You can remove the end ones if you want, if you need a little bit more space. There is Velcro, what you heard there, on the table. And you can store those pedestals under the bed, under the dinette. but traveling it down with that Velcro attached is a good way for them to travel. Charging areas, the zebra shades are nice because you can black out, let in some light. You got, again, we mentioned the sofa across. There's a little storage and space behind. And there's your other bed. And one nice thing they did on this is you get storage drawers underneath that you didn't have in the past. You also have drawers in the kitchen, all your goodies, and a trash can built in, which is nice. The kitchen they've totally redone. Still get the nice spray head, but you've got the glass washer there. You've got a cutting board that covers part, the strainer, lots of pieces that come out that you can carry out to the campground and move around. So a lot of new features there that you didn't have on the 23s. Still get the soap dispenser, more storage down low, your convection microwave oven, 3-burner range with the LED lights, and that cover acts as a splash guard there. Nice new look on the cabinet doors, but huge storage. Receptacles throughout, lights throughout. The refrigerator, 12-volt refrigerator. And you got a huge pantry all in the slide out. Receptacles, your thermostat, and then the private door for the bunk area. Get some lights on in here, but good storage area, receptacles, AC ducts, more charging areas, spot for a TV. You've got good storage down here. All 4 teddy bear bunk mattresses are nice and thick. And the windows, you got a fire escape window there. The bottom windows both have fire escape with shades. So private 4 bunk area is nice. Your brand new 2024 Cherokee Grey Wolf 29 BRB. Work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the front Grey Wolf logo, your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound LP bottles under cover. You got the chain and 7-pin holder built in. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. See that nice rock guard on the front. Tankless water heater. You've got a dry weight of 6,842 pounds. Gutter extensions. Cable. Your black tank flush. You got a hot and cold outside shower hookup. And your water hookup there. Your black and gray pull valves with a nice convenient light right there. Moving down the outside of the slide, you see the large windows. You got a storage area here under the bunks. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Nice change that they've done this year is they've gone to the magnets on the compartment doors instead of the latches. Your rack on the back bumper drops down for storage. You do not have to mess with the spare tire. We'll take a look at that. Right on the rack, you got 1 pin here that I already took out and 1 here. Got a 200-pound weight rating on this rack. Drops down, and there's your storage. You can use bikes, coolers, grills, anything like that. Again, 200-pound weight rating. Put that pin in to get it level. But nice extra storage there if you need it. You've got the Lippert prep for the ladder on the back. even without the ladder. We'll go ahead and take a look at the roof. All right, up on top of the roof, you see your AC, your solar panels up front, roof vents, skylights. Nice clean roof. You've got the backup camera built in. Moving around to the campsite, you've got another storage area here, which is under the bunk, your leash latch. You've got your electric stabilizer jacks, and you've got your control box here to control the rear two, and there's one up front for the front two. Again, magnet that holds those open. Your outside kitchen and camp area underneath that power awning with the LED lights. Exhaust for your range. What you've got here is the electric refrigerator, ice maker, another outside shower. Dual axles, we are looking at 14-inch tires. TV hookup outside speakers. Again, large windows. The step above entry steps fold right up into the camper, nice and clean. And you got that easy adjustment trigger there to adjust the length depending on your terrain. That nice Grey Wolf Limited glass look door there. Large assist handle. Your little LED light drops down the Grey Wolf logo on the ground, just like inside. And then the controls here for your front stabilizer jacks. Other side here, you got your storage, 50 amp cord, your backup cranks, that solar controller here, nice light inside. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Grey Wolf Limited 29 BRB. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slide in, as you can see, you can get in about half of the refrigerator. So you can still get a milk jug out if you need to. And you got full access to the freezer. You can still get in the pantry. You're not getting in the bunk area, but you can get to the bedroom and to the bathroom. No problem.